Hey everyone, it's Kay Beyond Health. Today, let's talk about the slow, often frustrating process of regaining your energy after being sick. Recovery can feel just as tough as the illness, lingering fatigue, brain fog, and feeling stuck at 10%. It's a personal journey, and it can feel isolating when everyone else seems to be moving on. I've been there, and I know many of you have too. In this video, I'll share gentle, science-backed steps to help you support your body's healing, focusing on rest, nutrition, and movement. Let's get started. The first step is giving yourself permission to rest. In a world obsessed with productivity, rest can feel like failure, but it's actually the most important thing for recovery. Your body repairs itself most efficiently during sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest. Make your room dark, quiet, and cool, and avoid screens before bed to help your body produce melatonin. Try a calming ritual, like reading or gentle stretching, to wind down. Listen to your body during the day. If you're tired, slow down or take a short nap. Don't feel guilty. Rest is your prescription right now. Postpone non-essential chores and protect your energy. Hydration is just as crucial. Drink plenty of water to help your cells function and flush out toxins. Dehydration can worsen fatigue and brain fog, so keep a water bottle nearby. Think of rest and hydration as the fuel your body needs to rebuild. You wouldn't expect a car to run on empty. Don't expect your body to heal without these basics. By honoring your need for sleep, rest, and water, you're laying the foundation for recovery. This is active healing, not just waiting to get better. Be strategic. Invest your limited energy in what matters most. Your friends and family will understand. Prioritize yourself. When you start to feel a bit better, gentle movement can help. We're not talking about intense workouts, just easy stretches, short walks, or beginner yoga. Light activity can boost your mood, improve sleep, and help your body regain strength. Start small, a 5-minute walk or stretching in bed. The goal is to move in a way that feels good, not to push yourself. Stop before you feel spent. This is called pacing. Overdoing it can set you back, so respect your new limits. As you feel stronger, gradually increase your activity. Gentle movement helps rewire your mind and body to see activity as positive again. It's a slow process, but every small step counts. Listen to your body's feedback. Celebrate progress, no matter how minor. Movement is part of your healing journey. Your body needs good nutrition to repair itself after illness. Focus on balanced meals with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide vitamins, minerals, and energy for healing. Include comfort foods like chicken soup. It's soothing and hydrating. Avoid heavy, greasy, or overly sugary foods that can drain your energy. Choose snacks like fruit, nuts, or smoothies for steady energy. If your appetite is low, try small, frequent meals instead of large ones. Every bite is a chance to fuel your recovery. Listen to your hunger cues, but don't wait to be ravenous. Gentle, nutrient-rich foods support your body from the inside out. Make eating easy and comforting. Nutrition is a key part of your recovery toolkit. Recovery isn't just physical, it's emotional too. Stress and worry drain your energy, so make relaxation a priority. Try deep breathing, meditation, or listening to calming music. Even a few minutes of relaxation can help your body shift into healing mode. Find what works for you. Journaling, gentle yoga, or mindfulness. Emotional support matters. Talk to a friend, join a support group, or reach out to a therapist. Remember, mental rest is as important as physical rest. Let go of constant worries, even briefly, to recharge. Prioritizing your mental well-being is essential for healing. Create small pockets of peace in your day. You deserve it. The hardest part is giving yourself time. Recovery is slow and non-linear. Good days and bad days are normal. On good days, resist the urge to do everything, pace yourself, and save energy. On tough days, be extra kind to yourself and focus on rest and gentle nutrition. Celebrate small wins like a longer walk or reading a few more pages. Track your progress to remind yourself you're moving forward. Most fatigue is temporary and will improve. This is a season for self-compassion, not self-criticism. Treat yourself as kindly as you would a friend. Acknowledge your limits without judgment. Every act of self-care is a step toward healing. Trust your body and the process. You're doing enough. Recovering your energy is a gradual journey, not a race. By resting, moving gently, eating well, reducing stress, and being patient, you're supporting your body's healing. You're not alone. Many people go through this, and it does get better. Listen to your body's signals and respond with care. Your strength will return, slowly but surely. Celebrate small victories and be kind to yourself. Thank you for watching and taking this time for yourself. Be well.